Hello, welcome to Someday Farm. I'm Stephen Watson, here with today's Tàijíquán Tip. Today's Tàijíquán Tip is to consider self-massage, consider practicing self-massage for a particular purpose here. And so just talk about self-massage for a moment. You can do self-massage that's just kind of intuitive, the way you might, rub your belly when you're sick or rub something after it's been itchy or you were bitten or it's just sore. It might be relatively conscious and trained, like you learned a little bit of something, a certain type of effleurage or something, and the direction of the muscle tissue is a bit familiar to you. Great. And you might be learning, you might know a particular self-massage technique or protocol. So any of those are going to be fun. So we don't have to get into our clinical brain here for this, just self-massage. And wherever that might be, your ears, your calves, your back, your forearm, whatever that might be. The idea is to practice your self-massage, maybe as part of your Tai Chi warm-up or practice session, but to practice the self-massage because I'm practicing the information exchange that I'd like to develop in my hands or whatever you're massaging with, but certainly could be any part of the body, but most often the hands. And in Tàijíquán, I'm not interested so often in being separate from the opponent or partner and then returning to contact, probably percussively or endangeringly, when I want to. And then, like a boxer might, they have no contact and they're hoping only to have contact when and where they want it, with their fists and the target's body. So, what I'm interested in Tàijíquán is contact and maintaining that contact so I can read the other person, intentions, weight shift, direction, types of movement, and so forth. And so practicing myself massage with an eye towards learning what I can learn through physical contact with the body, my own body, and doing it with myself. I can reference, well, I know what my body's doing, so can I know that through my hands and develop that skill of Tingjin? Thank you.
Thanks for showing your support for today's Tàijíquán tip. Tips really go a long way. And if you can't afford to help financially, comment, subscribe, share, and like, and all that stuff. To be in touch with me, go to my Linktree, Someday Farm. Thank you.